Numbers 6:24-26. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace. Ephesians 3:16-17. I pray that out of his glorious riches he may strengthen you with power through his Spirit in your inner being, so that Christ may dwell in your hearts through faith. Colossians 1:9. We continually ask God to fill you with the knowledge of his will through all the wisdom and understanding that the Spirit gives. Philippians 1:9-10. And this is my prayer, that your love may abound more and more in knowledge and depth of insight, so that you may be able to discern what is best. Psalm 121:7-8. The Lord will keep you from all harm. He will watch over your life. The Lord will watch over your coming and going both now and forevermore. 3 John 1:2. Dear friend, I pray that you may enjoy good health and that all may go well with you, even as your soul is getting along well. Romans 15:13. May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in him, so that you may overflow with hope by the power of the Holy Spirit. Proverbs 3:5-6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your paths straight. Psalm 20:4. May he give you the desire of your heart and make all your plans succeed. Jude 1:24. To him who is able to keep you from stumbling and to present you before his glorious presence without fault and with great joy. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.